Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new unboxing video. So this is from, it says Feather Post. So I do know what this is, at least I think I know what this is, but let's open it to make sure, for sure. I've been waiting for this to come in because I'm taking a course from the Frugal crafter, Lindsay Weirich, and I wanted to get this to follow along with the class. I don't have one. So yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. So this is a color wheel. It is by Lindsay Weirich. It's from the brand Sketchbook Floozy. It's an artist color wheel plus a value finder. So the color wheel is on one side and the value finder is on the other, and you can see right here. So I had to order this from the UK because, well, they didn't have any left over in the US store, and there's not a Canadian store. But it was only $2.99 UK money. I know that's terrible. I don't know what it's called. It's got that weird little L in front of it. So yeah, not dollars, pounds maybe. Is that the pound sign? So anyway, she was using this in the class that I'm taking for oil pastels. And I really liked it because it was a color wheel on one side, which I can make my own color wheel, but I really, really wanted this value finder because I'm struggling with value. Sometimes I think something is, because it's a dark color, but the value isn't as dark as I think it is. Do you know what I mean? So I think this is going to really come in handy for me. So, for example, to me this orange is very dark, right? But if you put it over here next to the black, you can see it's not as dark as the black. I would say maybe it's, I still have a hard time. Maybe 80% or 70%. Possibly 60%. But it's definitely darker than 50%, right? Well, I know it's definitely darker than 40 to 10. And it's not white. So yeah, I really need help with my values. I mean, even if I squint, I have a hard time. So yeah, like the white and the white are a good match. You can tell that the white is lighter than the 10%. So I just really needed this help. And also the color wheel is very, very helpful because I don't know how to neutralize my colors. Sometimes I'll have a really bright, bright green, and you're supposed to be able to go look right across and see what colors you could use to neutralize. And it's like the opposite of green is red, but it's not this bright red. It's more like a pinky red. Can you see that? So anyway, I have so much to learn. Color theory, I'm not great at. When I was a little girl, I learned that red and yellow were warm colors and blues and greens were cool colors. But nowadays, like, people are saying some reds are leaning cool and some reds are leaning warm. And yeah, my brain still wants to go that yellow and red are the warm colors and blue and green are the cool colors and purple is somewhere in between. So yeah, I have trouble and I have a lot to learn. And I'm one of those people that I have to learn things over and over. But this is nice because it seems to be, this side is laminated. This side is not, I don't believe. So I'll have to be careful not to get that wet. But anyway, this was only $2.99 pounds. And when I look on my bill, it came to $9.39, including delivery, because delivery was $6.40 pounds, not dollars, $6.40 Weird Owl shape. So anyway, I hesitated to get that, but I couldn't find anything better on eBay or Temu. I did order a color wheel from Temu, but I couldn't find a nice value finder like this, and I know I could have made one, but I just wanted the same thing that she was using, and the price was really good. Anyway, go on to Lindsay's website, you guys, to learn anything, because I can't teach you because I'm learning myself. I don't know. But here it is again. The Sketchbook Floozy by Lindsay Weirich. Really good price. And I think the website where I bought it, they're out of stock right now. I think I might have got the last one. But I think they're redoing their website and they're reopening it to a different site, so it will still be available. And if I can find that, I will put the link below. But if I can't, just go to Lindsay's site because she will have that information. So she has an actual website, plus she has the YouTube channel called The Frugal Crafter. Okay? Alright, so I'm super excited, and I think this is going to help me a lot. And I like the way it looks. I like the size. I like that it has this little rotatey bit. Yeah, this is really nice. And I'm especially excited about the tones, the values, because I really need help with that. Like, I'm good with black and white and, like, the middle tones, but I'm really, really not good at, like, what is this? What would you say that would be? 80? 70? 60? Like, it's not 100. It's not 90. 80. I want to say 80. Would you say 80? Or would it be, like, 70? Is it 50? I don't know. I'm really bad. Anyway, I will learn. That's the thing about learning. You start like with nothing and you build it up. All right, so thank you, Lindsay, for making this. It will definitely be helpful, and I love that all the different shades for every color are on here. And she teaches you how to mute the tones so you don't have like the bright ones if you want the more muted ones, which is really good, which is what I need, because everything I make looks very bright. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I just babbled on and on way too much. Sorry about that. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe. All of those good things. They really help my channel to get noticed. It means a lot to me if you take the time to leave a comment or hit that like button. I think even hitting the dislike button might help. All right, you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe. And happy shopping, happy painting, happy whatever it is you love to do. Bye, guys.